What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Chris with a beard, and I'm doing a unboxing video. I had to kind of start this packaging because he taped it really good, so definitely safe packaging here. And this is an unboxing of 5 Boroughs grooming. Here's the invoice here. So we have a lot to unbox here. It says, thanks for the support, Christopher. Hope you enjoy the products. So, first up, we got some oils and some poppets. All right. We have the orange cedar wood. Let's give this a little whiff. Ooh, that's definitely a light orange woody smell. That's gonna be good. Next up, we have To Beard Co. I think that says To Beard Co. Pipe tobacco, Cuban tobacco, sweet tobacco. So two different types of tobacco. Tonka bean and warm vanilla. Ooh, I really like that one too. I think he threw that one in there because I definitely didn't order that one. So this one is part of their Emu blend. You're killing me, Smalls. This is warm graham cracker, toasted marshmallow, milk chocolate, sweet tobacco, sandalwood, and a hint of baseball glove leather. So that, like I said, Emu blend, you can tell the difference. It's got that creamy color. Ooh, God, makes me want to eat it. Don't eat it. And let's see what else. Oh, here we go. 36 chambers. Banana cream, sweet peach, blue musk, tobacco, dark amber, and apricot. So good. And another one. Another one. As DJ Khaled would say. And then we got some Miami Vice. Ooh. God, that's grapefruit, pear, blue, musk, amber, apple, rum, vanilla, orange, and pineapple. Definitely get that musk in there. I'm a musk guy. And (1 ounce) butter. It's the orange cedar wood. So good. So I got 3 butters in total to match orange cedarwood, 36 chambers, and Miami Vice. Yep, this one's the 36 chambers. Oh, that's so good. I feel like the butter is a little more potent. Alright. Last but not least, though, we have the Miami Vice. Makes me think of Grand Theft Auto. Look at that artwork. It's like Palm Springs, Florida. Ooh, my God. I feel like the butter scents are a little more potent. And I dig the 1 ounce butters. I mean, those are cute jars. I'm probably going to keep those just as like trophy case, you know? Thank you, Johnny, for packing this up super well. I know sometimes the postal carriers can kind of like, here's your package type of thing. God damn. So anyways, that's the unboxing. Hopefully y'all enjoyed this video. I'll be doing more unboxings in the future. Hit that like button. Think about subscribing to the channel. We have a giveaway going on right now, sponsored by True North Beer Co. Once I hit 200 subs, and only together we can discover the beer difference. Cue that outro.